Today is a divine provision. There are days we wake up and think it's just another day, but heaven does not see it that way. Every day you wake up is a providential day, a day ordered, arranged, allowed, and breathed upon by God Himself. You didn't stumble into this day. You didn't drift into this moment. You didn't arrive here by chance. God chose this day for you, and He chose you for this day. This is why David declared with boldness, "This is a day which the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it." If the Lord made this day, then this day carries divine intentions. If the Lord made this day, then this day carries a divine goodness. If the Lord made this day, then this day carries a divine strength. Because it comes from God, you can rejoice in it.